On the new PPSSPP update, you can now play online multiplayer. All you have to do is update your PPSSPP, then have the game installed on 2 phones. Connect both phones to the internet, go to Settings, then Network, and copy my settings. Make sure to enable networking, and in the ad hoc multiplayer option, choose EA Nation Hub. You can also change your name from here. Once that's done, open the game you want to play, and you're ready to enjoy online multiplayer. Don't forget to like and subscribe